I tried making money online with Feastables. This is how much money entrepreneurs are making from Feastables, and this is how much it costs to start. This method is so easy to produce and is not time consuming at all. So first, let me show you the blueprint. With mrbeast Feastables being so popular right now, his candy bar demand is through the roof. And there are two essential strategies to use to create a passive income stream. For the first step, we have to make a YouTube channel and title it something related to mrbeast or Feastables. Once the account was created, we took content ideas from other creators who were using this strategy, and then we bought some bars of our own to produce even more new content. Here's a quick example.
Now here is the Feastables milk chocolate. I guess it's time for me to unwrap it. And that's so rich, I have to have some milk with it. I really like it. I think you should try it.
This 20-second short that took 10 minutes to make brought in 22,000 views in less than 2 days. That's a lot of twos, I know. Now changing the background sound and changing the bar flavor and posting one video a day will almost guarantee you monetization by the end of the month. If you made it this far into the video, subscribe because this is where it gets good. Most YouTube Shorts automation creators fail for this reason. They don't post relevant, trending, or informative content, and they don't make their channel income ready or monetizable. And to add to that, viewers go on Shorts to get a quick dopamine rush, not to watch a half screen of Josh Mayo explaining an income strategy and the bottom half of Subway Surfers. Now the way you can scale this method and turn it into a business is rather simple. Once you've gained traction from your Feastable Shorts content, repurpose your shorts into TikToks. Then you need to search up Feastables on TikTok Shop and add them into your showcase. Boom. Now you're an affiliate, and affiliate marketers like me can make passive income extremely easily. And I have a video that goes more in depth about what affiliate marketing is, so if you're interested in that, click that link after this video. Shameless plug. And what? Anyways, once you've added the Feastables bar into your showcase, now is the time to make a website. And you can also make a Shopify store or become an Amazon seller, but you will first need to obtain a letter of authorization. And that gets kind of tricky, so hold off on that until I make another video about it. Because you know I got you, I'm consistent with the upload, you know what I'm saying? Back to the websites. A great website to use for this method is called Squarespace, which is the sponsor of this video. I'm kidding, Squarespace sponsored me. But seriously, it's completely free and you get all rights to what you create. And this right here is my favorite part of the process, and the most crucial step in turning this into a money-making goldmine. Once you make a simple Feastables website, all you have to do now is paste your TikTok Shop affiliate link into your website. Then you just promote your website through shorts and short form content. This will drive viewers to click your site and buy through your affiliate link, which will give you a cut of about 20% per product bought. Now you'll have income from YouTube Shorts, which could easily bring you around $3,000 a month, and you'll have a TikTok Shop income stream, which will give you a percentage of what you sell. And again, now is the time to hop on this side hustle because mrbeast has just redesigned his bar, and he's been promoting it on his primary and secondary YouTube channel, all in the last 48 hours. If you stay diligent and put 30 minutes of this in your daily routine for the next month, you will make some money. Click right here to see the videos that YouTube thinks you would like the most, and I'll see you guys again in the very near future.